How to add items to cart on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open the application. So basically, I'm in my home page. Here, you'll be able to find different products and browse through them. Now, slowly browse through the product that you like. Now, tap on the one that you want to purchase or add it to your cart. So here, I'm tapping on one. So we're in this product details page. Here, you'll be able to find different details about this product. Now, if you like it, here on the bottom, you can see the button called Add to Cart. Simply tap on Add to Cart. Now, it has been sent to your cart. Here, you can easily check it out later. So this is the cart section and it has been added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.